Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is up to date and that calendar accounts are syncing. This avoids missing events. Once done, open the calendar app and land on the default view. Make sure your accounts are enabled in Settings Calendar so events appear. Then, tap the Calendars button at the bottom to choose which calendars show. This first selection controls what view options will display, so pick only the calendars you need now. Now adjust the visible layout. Tap day, week, month, or year to change perspectives. You choose granularity versus overview. Once you select month, pinch outward to expand day details, and pinch inward to compress for a clean grid. For the week view, rotate to landscape on compatible models for a timeline layout. You can long press a date to add an event, or tap an event to edit details. This is how you tailor density and visibility of events on demand. Finish by refining defaults. Open Settings Calendar to set default alert times and choose the week start day, which alters how the month and week views align. Toggle time zone override if you need events to stay fixed to one zone, helpful when traveling. If events go missing, pull down in the calendar's list to refresh, then check settings accounts to re-enable sync. Finally, restart the app. If problems persist, sign out and back into the calendar account as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.